So guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So everybody knows Realme brand and their Realme 3 and all of the successful smartphones which they have come across. But now we have with us reports and rumors regarding the Realme 4, from its specifications to its pricing, from every single factor which you look forward when you're buying a new smartphone. So in today's video I'm discussing everything we know so far yet regarding the Realme 4. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now let me tell you its pricing. Well, its pricing is 13,999 rupees, which is equivalent to 14,000 Indian rupees in short. So this is perfect, these specifications, when I will tell you, you will definitely be impressed that you're getting so much more for just 14,000 rupees. Again, 14,000 is a significant amount, but not as significant as when you're buying an iPhone. So its performance, well, you're getting an octa-core processor here in this smartphone of MediaTek Hello P70 series, and this smartphone actually comes with 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of base model storage is expected, and then just 256 gigs of bump or 128 gigs of storage. So again, the storage capacity, 64 is of course the base model, and after that 128, 256 and 512, and if they will do it, then they will go for a terabyte of storage. But again, like the 64 gig base model is surely a thing that is taken place very usually. Any smartphone company, whenever they come with a new smartphone nowadays, have a 64 gigs of base model and don't have any below it. Or you can say there are few smartphones with 32 gigs, but like 64 is the more industrial standard for the base model of any smartphone. Again, now let's come to its display. You're getting a 6.3 inches smartphone, which is again a huge display, and again it is featuring 1080 by 2340 pixels per inch ratio. So just you have to crop a little bit if you are used to watch YouTube videos in 16:9 aspect ratio, but if your this smartphone will support 18:9 aspect ratio even, so again that's of course acceptable. You have to crop in the video a little bit again, but there is not much problem. This smartphone is coming with a 16 megapixel and a 5 megapixel dual camera real setup, so it's definitely appreciated. 16 plus 5, I can say 12 and 12 megapixel, 16, 12 and 5, these are the combinations which most of the companies go for. And 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel, 16 megapixel main sensor and a 5 megapixel ultra wide or a telephoto sensor is definitely one of the greatest one. But I just want to tell up to this point that all of the companies are going for more and more megapixel count, but they're forgetting that software should be also optimized to handle such a great hardware. Like Apple is still going for 12 and 12 megapixel setups, but the the software integration is really great. So you are getting of course like a 48 megapixel plus better shot on an iPhone than any other camera which says 48 megapixel on it. So I just want to tell that company's hardware is getting improved, but also they need to take lots of efforts to integrate the software and just make it compatible with the existing hardware. And not just that, but the front camera is 13 megapixel. Again, 13 megapixel is a great deal, and also the battery life, it is 4400 mAh battery. Again, 4400 mAh is more than sufficient for any user, and I would suggest that this is a quite great battery life. And for a smartphone with a 6.3 inch display panel, definitely 4400 mAh is a battery life to go for. And not just that, but also it's non-removable and every single thing. So guys, these are the very basic specifications for which any user kind of first observes before buying the smartphone. So this is just a rumored smartphone. It might come, and like Apple's rumors get true. Like one of the most secure company, even the product we know that how the iPhone 11 is going to be before this launch. And again, like we have with the Realme 4 also, we have all the specifications, and as you have seen like a few images in this video that depicts that how the Realme 4 is going to be. So hope you have liked today's video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel, give a like to this video, and also leave a comment that how was this video and which video you want to see next. Again, thanks for watching, stay tuned for more videos, and